That's right. Yeah, what is that? NTSPBMS 515. Okay. Google data JPA. Okay. Number 13. Number 13. Here is 13, guys. Working with the date and time values. Voice is not clear. It's sounding great. Yeah. I want to insert and retrieve date and time values. Okay, na? Insertion and retrieving of date and time values I want to do. The good part is in database softwares also we have a date data type, time data types. In Oracle we have date is there to hold only date values. Time stamp is there, time is not there. To hold date and time values. Only time data type is not there. In Oracle, inserting of retrieving of only time values is not possible. But in MySQL, luckily, date is separately there, time is separately there, date time separately there, also timestamp is there. In timestamp data type column, date type, date time data type column, we can insert both date and time values. We can insert both date and time values. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Working with the date values using Java 8, date and time API. Nothing but what? Joda, date and time API. Yeah, Joda is a third-party company, Joda.org, whose API is used by JDK software for date and time API operations. In Java 8, three classes are there, Navas. Local time to give the system time or to set any time. Local date to get the system date to set any date. Local date time. What is that? Local date time. Come on. To get the system date and time and to set any date and time. To set what? Any date and time. Okay. In all the three classes, use of method. Use of method. For what purpose? To set new date or time values and use a now method to get system date and time values. What is that? Now method to get system date and time values. This is my off method, guys. This is my off method. That's great. This is my now method. In both all the three things. Local date and now. You will get local date time object having system date and time. Okay, guys. Tell me next one. In Oracle database software, date data type to store date value. Timestamp data type to store date time values. Note. Time data type is not given in Oracle database software. You have to use a timestamp only. MySQL, date data type, date time data type, timestamp data type, time data type. So total how many are there, guys? Four options are there or not there, guys. Date data type to give the date. Date time to hold the date and time. Timestamp to hold only time. Okay, we have time data type. Storing date time values in DB table columns as string values is not a good option because we cannot perform arithmetic operations on what? String date comma time values. String date comma time values. Are you getting my point there? And I will try to store date and time values as string values in DB table columns, guys. As string values in what? DB table columns. Are you getting my point? Insertion wise, okay. But I want to detect one date from another date. Is it possible? I want to Can we manipulate on date and time values if they are registered as what? If they are registered as what? String values. Is it possible, guys? Come on. Right. Earlier, before Java 8, we used to work with what? Java.sql.date, Java.sql.timestamp and etc. classes to deal with what? Date, time values for Java 8. We can use what? Joda date time API. So Java 8 onwards, we are preferring to work with what? Joda. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Oracle date pattern is what? DD triple M YY. Then OCT, month in letters, A90. MySQL date pattern is what? 4 wise MMDD. 1990 1020. What is this? 1919 1020. Okay. If entity class is having local date, local date time properties, then the given date time values, what values, guys? Then the given date time values will be inserted to DB table columns in the pattern that is supported by whom? Underlying database software. In the pattern that is supported by whom, guys? Underlying database software. Are you getting my point there, my dear? Come on, everyone. Hey, see, boss. You give date, local date time, guys. Okay. Having some data, but while inserting them in DB table column, it is inserted in the pattern that is supported by database. In Oracle pattern, MySQL pattern. What is Oracle pattern? DD triple M YY. What is MySQL pattern? 4 wise MMDD. 4 wise MMDD. So this is the pattern that we generally follow or not, guys? Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. Earlier, before Java 8, we used to work with java.sql.date, java.sql.timestamp, etc. to deal with date time. From Java 8 onward, Joda datetime API is enough or not, guys? When I use the Joda datetime API, they are all about working with the three classes. One is what? Local time. Other one is what? Local date. Other one is what? Local date time. Local date time. Okay. No need of creating this table manually. Okay, manually. Will be generated by dynamically by Spring Data JPA. Will be generated dynamically by Spring Data JPA. If entity class is having local date, local date time properties, then the given date time values will be inserted to DB table column in the pattern that is supported by whom? Underlying database software. In the pattern that is seriously supported by whom? Underlying database. Okay, let's take one use case. Let's concentrate on insertion part. Then we will think about what? Retrieving part. Then we will try to do some arithmetic and logical operation with respect to date values. I think what's your workspace? This is our workspace. I think you take politician. When I save the politician date of birth, time of birth, okay. Date and time of joining party. Date and time of joining party. Or you take employee, date of birth, time of birth, date of joining, but that time, date and time both I want to insert. Ask for patient date of birth, time of birth, okay, date and time of joining. Anything you can take. That's up to you guys. Yeah, where is this guys? 515, right? Yes. Close all editors, guys. Close all editors. Close all editors. Okay, that's good. Mic noise, I don't think that will be a problem. Yeah, first we have to create a project, guys. So far we worked with the same doctor. Let's take something else, right? Okay, let me create everything from scratch instead of copy paste. Because we got a situation to take a new data and new thing. Spring starter project, go to data JPA 05. Go to data JPA 05. Tell me here, what is there? Uh-huh. Go to data JPA 05. Oh, Joda API. Seven, huh? Okay. Joda date time API. Yeah, remaining everything same, guys. Say next. Lambda API, MySQL driver, what driver? Okay, we want to test in both Oracle driver. I think Spring Data JPA. These are the things. Say next, save finish. Say next, save finish. Where is this? Go to data JPA. Number how much, guys? Okay. Go to data JPA. That's great. Here is my what? Resources. Here is my what? Application dot properties. Okay. From any project, we can collect the copy of these properties now, guys. Copy this. Copied, guys. Now come here. Save, paste. Here is my application dot properties. That's good. Still not coming? Maybe not pasted, huh? Save, paste. Yeah, that is all right now. All right only. If you paste in the folder, it will come here. I pasted in wrong place. Huh? I don't think so. Oh, it came in wrong place. Huh? I think now it's correct. Yeah. What is the project number? Data JPA 07. 07. Joda. Joda date time API. Joda date time API. That's good. First, I want to, okay, let's start with the MySQL first. Okay, this is for this one, MySQL. Everything is according to MySQL numbers. What's the use of it? For schema generation. Update is for schema generation related value, right? Table is there, use it. Not altering is required, do it. Otherwise, use the existing table as it is. Right click, tell me, package, com dot, nt dot, com dot, nt dot, what is this? Entity, com dot, nt dot, entity. Next, what is next one? Package, com dot, nt dot, service. That's great. Next, package com dot nt dot runners. Com dot nt dot runners. Com dot nt dot runners. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Com dot nt dot entity, com dot nt dot runners, com dot nt dot what? Service. That's great. Tell me, what is the story over there? First, we have to go for entity class, na boss? Entity class. Okay, let's not take same employee customer. Let's take politician, right? What is this? Politician. 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 Got it? Yes. Yeah, here is my politician, guys. Tell me. Private integer PID. Private string, what is there? P name. Private string P address. Okay, private string P address. Tell me. Local date DOB. Okay, guys. Local time TOB. Time of birth. Private local date time. Private local date time. DOJ. Date of joining. On which date he joined in the sect. Okay. At the rate data. At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name is equal to. If you don't give any name, on the Joda underscore politician. Joda underscore politician. At the rate ID. At the rate generated value. Strategy is equal to auto. Strategy is equal to auto, guys. Strategy is equal to auto. At the rate generated value, strategy is equal to what? Auto. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. At the rate ID, at the rate generated value. Okay. This is what? Yeah, that value will come down. If you want, you want to get the things in sequence, you can do that also. If you want, you can get the things in sequence also, guys. Okay, by using sequence generator. Let's put sequence generator. Tell me. Name is equal to name is name is equal to gen1. Sequence name PID underscore sequence 1. Some name, guys. Okay. Next one. Where is this? Initial value is equal to 1. Allocation size is equal to 1. Initial value 1, allocation size 1, that's good. Generated value. Strategy, this one. Here, what is there? Generator is equal to gen 1. Strategy is equal to generation type dot auto. Generation type dot auto. Yes, this is ID. This is my sequence generator. This is generated value. That's good. Remaining fine. At the rate column, what is there? Length is equal to 30. at the rate column length is equal to 30. And date of birth note sizes, guys, as needed, they will allocate memory. How much they want, that much memory they allocate. That's it. Fine. Okay. Politician is ready. Okay. Now it's better to go for repository interface. New package. com.nt.repos. New, what is there? New interface. Tell me. I politician repository. I politician repository. Tell me. Command line runner. Okay. It's better. Fine. It's better to go for JPA repository. JPA repository. Okay. Yeah. Here, what is there? Politician. Next. Politician, comma, integer. Politician, comma, integer. Right now, I want to work with only predefined methods. There's no need of worrying about adding new methods, right? Okay. 15 plus 2 plus 12. 15 methods of JPA repository, 2 are from paging and sorting repository, 12 from code repository. Those many methods are there. If needed, you'll add more methods. Okay. First, our focus is on saving the politician, registering the politician, guys. A new interface. I politician management service. I politician management service. That's great. Tell me here, what is this? Public string, right? Register politician. Okay. Politician. Politician. This is great now, guys. Public string register politician. Right click new class. Politician management service IMPL. Politician management service IMPL. And what is that? I politician management service. Save OK, save finish. Got it? Add unimplemented methods as at the rate of this one. At the rate this one. Politician service. If you don't take name also not a problem. It will manage with the default behind. Private I politician repository. Politician repo. I'm going to inject it. A regular one. Okay, now we need to think about saving its data now, boss. Okay, use repo into id val is equal to what val? Into id val is equal to, come on. Politician report dot. Politician report dot. Come on. Save. Politician report dot save politician. Politician report dot save politician. Get a PI. Where is next one? Return ID. Return. What is this, guys? Politician is saved with the ID value plus ID. Politician is saved with the ID value plus ID. Simply with the ID value and given ID value, guys. Are you getting my point there? Politician Management Service, IMPN. Okay, we are ready with this. Okay, boss. What's the next one, guys? Runner. What's the next concept, guys? Runner. Okay. Let's go for runner. Class. Yeah, where is the runner, guys? What's the runner, guys? Yeah, runner is useful for which purpose, my dear? Come on. To write the testing logics or not, guys? Okay. Yes, boss. Tell me here, what is this? Was striking Kartikeyan? I don't think it's a problem. Am I audible, guys? Online students, please check. com.nt.runners. com.nt.runners. Okay. Tell me here, what is the story, guys? Joda date time test runner. Joda date time test runner. Hyphen is not allowed. Okay, fine, no problem. What is there? Command line runner. Say okay. Say finish. Say okay. Say finish. At the rate. Tell me. At the rate component. Wait. Come on. Politician Management Service. Where is that? Politician Management Service. At the rate auto. Okay. Politician Service. What service, guys? Politician Service. Tell me. Public wide. Add unimplemented methods. Public wide run. String args throws what? Exception. Okay. Throws args, throws exception. It's a resounding. Now, it should be okay. From my side, no issues, my dear. Guys, online student, am I visible? Am I audible? Right. Okay, first we have to prepare a politician object, my dear. Yes, okay. Instead of me writing everything, we'll go for what? No arg constructor using lambda KPI. All arg constructor using this. Okay, required args constructor. When it comes to required arg constructor, at the rate non-null. That's good. Copy this. Here also, at the rate non-null. Oh, on the same property twice it happened. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Okay. Line number 25 problem. Line number 25 extra. Which one extra? 25. Okay, this is extra. Everything is perfect here, guys. Come on. Okay. Tell me here, save the object. Right. Tell me. Politician. Politician is equal to new politician of, what is that? Raja. What's the address? Hyderabad. Okay. Next. Local date dot date of birth. Some 1997. 10th month, 20th date. Next. Next one, what is this? Local time dot of 10:20. That's great. Next. Local date time dot. Local date time dot of. Tell me. 2010, 10th month, 20th date, or 21st date, whatever it is. Hour, 10th hour, 20th minute. Array, 4 wise DD, local time dot, local date time. Okay. Okay, boss. Control plus shift plus. Yes, we set everything now, boss. Okay, here what is there? PID, P name, address, then remaining all are date related things. We are ready with this, guys. String message is equal to politician service dot. Okay. Why politician underscore? Some injection happened. This is the biggest problem we have nowadays. Yeah. Politician service dot. Register politician. Sys out. System dot out dot println message. Catch. What is there? Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Are you getting my point there? Okay. E dot print stack trace, guys. E dot print stack trace. Raja Hyderabad local date dot off. Local time dot off. Okay, local date time dot off this one. Message printing the message, guys. Message simply printing the message. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Com dot Jordan date time test runner. Okay, that's good. Politician repository. That's another good thing, guys. Come on. Yes, guys. Yeah, close all editors. Now we have to run the application now. Yeah. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Politician is saved with ID value 1, my dear. Politician is saved with what? ID value 1. Okay. Is inserted, guys. But date and time values will be inserted in the DB table in the pattern that MySQL supports. If I go for Oracle, in the pattern that Oracle supports, right? Okay. Where is this? MySQL workbench. Yes, boss. This is my connection one, guys. This is my connection one. This is my connection one. In the connection one, come on. Okay, here is what? Tables. Tables are 515. 515 dB. Here is my tables. Here is my Jordan underscore politician. Click on select rows. See, DOB 4 wise MMDD, DOJ 4 wise MMDD space HHMMSS milliseconds also. Address Hyderabad, name Raja, TOB, HHMMSS triple S. Triple S means milliseconds. Triple S in uppercase, guys. HHMMSS. Hours, minutes, seconds. Triple S means what? Dot triple S, not colon triple S. That is what? Dot triple S. What is that? Milliseconds, guys. What is there? Milliseconds. Insertion is taking place or not place, guys? Are you worried about pattern? Are we really worried about pattern, guys? Come on. Really, we are not worried about pattern. Everything is taken care by whom? Spring Data JPA. It is inserting in the pattern that is supported by whom, guys? It is inserting in the pattern that is supported by underlying database software. It's really taking place or not, guys? Look at the data types of the columns also. Click on this settings button. Click on this settings button. Look at the date time, DOJ date time. Okay, DOB date. TOB time. TOB time. Time of birth time. Are you getting my point there or not there? TOB time, DOJ date time. Everything is happening or not there? Okay. That's great, guys. It's another one we are having or not, my dear? Okay, this is what? Insertion is taking place. What is taking place? Okay. Insertion is taking place. Now we have to worry about retrieving part, na boss? We have to worry about what? Retrieving part, right? Okay. Yeah, if you want, you can insert one more record. That's up to you. If you want, you can insert what? One more record, guys. Retrieving very regular one. It's very much regular one, guys. Go to runner, just change some data. Okay, here is what? Rajesh. Here is my what? Vizag. Vizag. 1999. Okay, 11/20. 2011 something. Save this one, right? Joda date time test run. Run as what is there? Java application. Politician is saved with ID value 2. Politician is saved with ID value 2, guys. Politician is saved with ID value 2. Got my point? Yes. Okay. Right. Look at this. Right click, select rows. Your records are coming over here or not, boss? Definitely records are coming over here or not, guys. Come on, everyone. Super, boss. Now let's go for retrieving, guys. Retrieving is not so great. For a display purpose, find all you can use. You want to get specific record, find by ID. A regular one. Okay. Service, guys. Public, caterable. What is that? Caterable. Politician. Caterable politician. Show all politicians. Public caterable politician. Show all politician. Service IMPL. Add unimplemented methods. What is there? Return. Tell me, guys, what is this? Politician repo not find all. Politician repo not find all, guys. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Okay. Yeah, right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, still we are going for insertion only. I have not commented, it seems, and I have not called this. Here, what is there? Saving object story is there, na boss? Try. Tell me. Politician service dot. What dot, guys? Politician service dot. Tell me. To all politician dot for each. System dot out colon println. What is there, guys? Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. So here is my politician details are not. 3 records are there. So they are coming again back to what? Local date time only. They are not coming in the original format. Did you notice that? So this conversion, everything is taken care by internally Spring Data JPA. We are least bothered about that. So they are coming in the pattern that underlying database software supported towards insertion. towards retrieving in which object you want to store them. In that prompt only they are coming and we are storing it. See, working with the Joda date time is quite easy or not, guys? But let's make it some interesting, guys. Let's make this application working for what? Oracle. Because in Oracle I said time data type is not there, only timestamp is there. In the timestamp only time will be saved, date will not be saved, and all zeros will come. Our default date will come. What is the default date that will come, sir, in timestamp? In timestamp, I have inserted only time. What is the default date that will come? January 1st, 1970. That is the default date that comes. Why, sir? Why that one? In any software application, guys, every date and time value will be remembered in the form of millisecond that are elapsed between 1970 January 1st 00:00 hours. 00:00 hours. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. 00:00 hours, guys, that are elapsed between 1970 January 1st 00:00 hours. That is a standard. Positive number means after date. Negative numbers means before date. See, for us it looks like today's date, guys. But internally it is remembered as what? Number of milliseconds that are elapsed between today's date and the time to 1970 January 1st 00:00. That means midnight, 12 o'clock. It is internally remembered as milliseconds now. Are you getting my point there, guys? So when in Oracle, time data type is not there, timestamp is there, but I'm inserting only time. Time part will be filled up and the date part will be what? Default one. What is default one? January 1st, okay, 1970 will be taken. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah, let's make this application working for Oracle database. Let's make this application working for Oracle database. Let's comment this, guys. This commented. Okay. This. Let's comment this, guys. This is done or not done, guys. Okay. Go to data API process 7. Here is my what? Date and time API or not, guys? Okay. Politician.java. Joda date time. This is for each system.out.println. Public iterable politician, show all politician. This is done. Yeah, now we want to work for what? Both. Okay. Let me go for runner. Save part, you keep it, guys. Then only we insert, then only we display. What is there in that? System.out.println. Yeah. Here is my what? Save object. Here is my save object. That's good. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Oh, what's happening? Same table is there, it seems. Maybe same table is there. Because here in Oracle we have not creating logical database. All are there in same logical data. In MySQL for every batch separate logical database is happening. That's why clash is not coming, guys. That's the one reason. Another reason also, Dialect part also gone wrong, if I am not wrong. I have to worry about dialect part also, my dear. Come on. Yes. This is my dialect. You have to worry about dialect part also, my dear. Come on, everyone. Super. Let's see. Okay, let's run the application. I think table also not having problem. Table should be created. Yeah, table is created and things are done. Check it out. 240. Record is inserted, guys. PID underscore sequence, whatever it is. So happily inserted and we able to retrieve or not. See, there is no time data type, but time value is coming perfectly here. Time data type is not there, but only time value coming nicely there, now boss. System, what is there? Tiger. Say okay. Say okay. Tell me. Here are my what? Tables, guys. What is that? Here are my tables. Followed by tables. Where is this? Yeah, tables. Joda underscore politician. Joda underscore politician. Joda underscore politician. Fine, that's good. Data, this is the one. 240, 28th October 1999. 20th October 11, 1020. Vizag, Rajesh, TOB. This is my TOB or not, guys? Okay, but you observe time of journey, 11:20 I have given, but date part is not there. What is that? Yeah, because there is no time data type, only timestamp is there. Default value it is taking or not, guys? Default date part it is taking here or not? Check it out. I'm talking about this part, boss. Did you realize that? Okay. Look at the data types, guys. Okay. 88. Look at the data type. There's no time data type. For POB, timestamp has come. For DOG also timestamp. DOG, no problem. Both date and time part is there. But in TOB, time of birth, only time is there. So the date part is filled up with what? Default one or not, guys? The date part is filled up with the date of birth or not, guys? Come on. Yes, that is what we have to focus. Yeah, in software industry, the date time values will be calculated internally in the form of millisecond that are calculated with respect to what? January 1st, 1970 midnight, 00:00 hours, epoch standard. Positive number means after time of epoch standard and negative number means what? Before time of epoch standard. Before time of what? Epoch standard. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Is a calculator with respect to Oracle database software using native SQL query based query method. Why, sir? Why native SQL query we have to use? Because to get the system date, we have any HQL query? No. A system date minus date of birth equal to what? Number of years. Person age has come or not, guys? Person age has come or not come, guys? Okay. So let's do age calculation in MySQL and Oracle, guys. So let's go for that. Okay, but age calculation predefined method is not there. We have to go for what? Custom method over here are not there. Public longa int. Okay, it will take float only. but not here, boss. First of all, we have to add one method in repository interface. What method? Repository. Politician repository. Tell me. Here is my what, guys? Public float. Public float. Public float. Public float. Okay, show. It should not look like a getter method also. Okay. Finder. Yeah. Calculate is calculate politician is by ID. Calculate politician is by ID into ID. Calculate politician is by ID into ID. That's great, boss. Yeah. Tell me here, what is this? Public float to politician is. Politician is by ID. What is this? Into ID. Politician Management Service IMPL. Show politician is by ID. What is there, guys? Okay. Show politician is by ID. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah, that's good. Here we are calling the method. But before calling the method, go to repository, guys. Here, if you write the method, not enough, na, my dear. You have to write the query, na. Select. Sysdate. That's a predefined. Minus DOB. Sysdate minus DOB. Sysdate minus DOB. 365.0 from where is this? Politician. From politician. Where? Okay. PID colon ID. PID is equal to colon ID. Here is @query. Select disdate minus DOB 365.0 from politician. What is that? From politician, where PID is equal to colon ID. PID is equal to what, guys? Colon ID. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. Select sysdate minus DOB 365. Okay, why 365? Actually, you can including leap year, we can better to say 25, right? 1 month, that we are dividing to 4 years. Okay. From politician. No, actually, we should write on the native SQL, na boss. Native SQL means what? Value is equal to this. Wait a minute. Value is equal to this. Yeah, here is what? Native query is equal to. Native query is equal to. What is there? Native query is equal to. Are we ready with this, guys? Sysdate comma DOB 365.25 from politician, where PID is equal to colon, native query is equal to true, guys. Native query is equal to true. Okay, we are ready with this, guys. But table is not politician technically. Table is different, right? Jordan underscore. What is there? Politician. Joda underscore politician. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Politician management service. Politician management service IMPL. Okay, that's great. Okay, here is what? Politician repository. Okay, that's good. Followed by that. Date time test runner. What runner, guys? Date time test run. This is additional, guys. Leave it. This is again additional, guys. Leave it. Okay, let's comment all this stuff now. Let's comment all this stuff now. Okay. కొద్దిగా కేబుల్ ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టమమ్మా. Float age is equal to, tell me. Float age is equal to politician service dot. So politician age by ID. So politician age by ID. There, what is the story you have to follow? 41, 61. I think 240. In Arakil, what has come that matters for us. 240 is that, and this one. 240. System dot out dot println. Politician is. Politician is. Okay. Politician is run as, what is there? Java application. Politician age is 0.0 now. Why so? What happened, guys? Query wronga, query gone wronga. Repository. Sysdate minus DOB. You will get number of dates, right? 365 this. Why it is not? Service method not implemented. In hurry burry, we have not implemented service method. Written politician report calculate by ID. Here we are using user repo. User repo. Right click Java application. Twenty-five point 25.54625. It's there. It's coming or not there, guys. Number of years, boss. Actually, number of days will come by dividing by 365.25. We are getting number of years or not. And same thing I want to do for Oracle, guys. Sorry, MySQL. Same thing I want to do for what? MySQL. Native SQL, na? This is for Oracle. Same effect we need to get for the MySQL. But MySQL is totally different, right? MySQL is what? Totally different. Okay, now let's check. This is for Oracle. This is coming easy. Oracle one is easy, guys. MySQL one is not that much easy. Check it out. Select timestamp difference. Timestamp difference. What do you want to get? Date of birth. Date of birth and current date. Current date will give system date now, my dear. Come on, guys. No, we want specific doctor is only. That's why we are not fetching all doctors kind of thing. Okay, 365 Joda underscore doctor, where some condition, leave it. But right now we are worried about this method. Timestamp difference. Day, you want the difference in days. DOB comma current date. Current date is like sysdate kind of. Current date is like what? Sys date. Okay. Tell me here. Shape is select. Select. What is there? Timestamp def. Select what, guys? Timestamp def. Timestamp def. What do you want to get? Day I want to get. Day unit is what? Difference in days. Okay, what is next? DOB. First one DOB. Second one current date. Current date of, right? Select timestamp difference day comma DOB comma current date 360.525 from Joda underscore politician where PID is equal to ID. Native query is equal to true. Yeah, this is for MySQL, my dear. This is purely for MySQL. Are you getting my point? Yes. That's great. This purely literally for what? MySQL. What do you say, guys? It's purely literally happening for MySQL one or not, guys? Okay. Close all editors. Uncomment in MySQL properties file. Oh, I have to work for MySQL here, right? Yes. Oracle related things you comment, guys. Here, MySQL related things you uncon. Oracle dialect, MySQL dialect. Oracle dialect, MySQL dialect. Are you getting my point? Yes. Update. Oracle dialect and what? MySQL dialect. Update here, show hyphen SQL true. But MySQL one you have to uncomment. Right click, run as, what is there? Java. Oh, error is coming. Null return value from advices does not match primitive data type. And actually it is returning null, guys. It is not returning what? The value. Okay. Okay, when though null comes, it should not be a problem means what should I do? Political repository, timestamp difference, is it right, guys? Wait. I think query gone wrong, it seems. Spell mistake, huh? Current date. Something is there. Mistake happened, that's why it is not coming. That is clear, guys. Current date, day, timestamp def. I think some letters uppercase, lowercase also there. Timestamp def. That's the one thing. Day, current date right only, na? 365. Politician, PID is equal to this. Okay. As of now, we are calling only one thing now, guys. Run as Java application. What's happening? Cannot give float dot value because value of get by AC is null. It is giving null value. Any guess? Why it is giving null value? Okay, I think brackets are not kept properly, it seems. Check it out. Timestamp def. Okay, 1 minute. I think some brackets issue also going on. Some brackets issue also going on. Repository, guys. Here you start the bracket. Whatever written, that you have to divide. Huh? 240. Acha. Oh, that is one more reason. Nah? Here I think 240 is not there, guys. Something else is there. Yeah, definitely that returns null value now when not there. Yeah, this could be the another reason, guys. This could be the another reason. Where is this? Huh? One is there. Huh? In my scale, one is there. Huh? Sure. Huh? Okay. Right click, run as Java application. 27. Okay. Here one is there. His age is what? 2010. 2010 means definitely 27 years are not there. 275428. You're able to calculate the age of a person, guys. Okay. If you want to get list of ages, also same query. Based on some other condition, you want to get list of ages. We can here one thing is experimented. Check it out. List float, list of ages, guys. Not one. All doctor ages, all doctor ages we are trying to face based on the specialization. Okay, and moreover, see if you mention day, difference will come in days. If you mention millisecond, difference will come in millisecond. Second. So this is the parameter, guys, in which this difference should come in which form. As a days, as a second, as a minute, as a hour, as a weeks, as a months, as a years. First we got days, on that one 365.28. Directly if you want to get the differences in the years also you can get it. But why I'm going for days, you know, when I say year deducting, it is not deducting remaining days and months. That's why I'm going for one. Days, whatever number of days comes, on the top of it we are saying what? 365.25. Then we are getting the real story or not, boss? Okay. Yeah, this is how the whole mechanism works on, guys. Okay, that is called. Everything will be taken with respect to what? 1970 January 1st. In our real life also, Indian history. Before British or after Britishers. Or before Mughals and after Mughals. We take one benchmark to talk about Indian history, world history. Before Jesus Christ, after Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ's birth will be taken as what? Benchmark or not? BC, AD kind of thing. Your personal life also. Before marriage, after marriage. Your education. Before 10th standard, after 10th standard. We take one benchmark. We do everything with respect to that benchmark only now, my dear. We do everything with respect to that benchmark. What do you say, guys? Right. This is what we need to focus, guys. Let me upload the notes. Yeah, where is this, guys? What's your batch code? 515. 515. Yeah, tomorrow onwards we